As we're all starting to travel a bit more and we're all getting out and about, we wanted to introduce to you the new Lisbon collection, the perfect travel companions. This is the Lisbon Duffle Backpack, the perfect two-in-one solution for travel and every day. You can open it from the top completely, and within you have a divider that allows you to separate all your stuff, along with a mesh organiser for all of your belongings. The Lisbon Duffle Backpack's 50-litre volume offers you enough space for your travel necessities and the everyday. On the Lisbon Duffle Backpack, you have a pocket on either side. The first being a waterproof pocket that allows you to put any wet clothing or dirty shoes within. And the second one being a very quick, easy access to the main compartment, which allows you to grab anything you need very quickly. On the top and the bottom of the Lisbon Duffle Backpack, you have two padded handles. In addition to this, you also have a handle on each of the sides, as well as an anti-theft pocket for all of your valuables. The duffel strap allows you to easily carry it and move the bag all around. One thing that makes this bag very special is that you can also use it as a backpack. To do this, we simply remove the handle, unclip it, and place it very simply into this pocket. The two padded shoulder straps also come with an elasticated chest buckle. In addition to this, on the backside, you also have an elasticated suitcase strap. To hide the flap that covers the straps, all you need to do is simply fold it and roll it into the hidden compartment. On this side, you also have a padded laptop compartment that can easily fit your 16-inch MacBook. The Lisbon Duffle Backpack is not only very versatile, but also extremely robust. Being made of TPU coated ripstop and also anti-scratch PU, it can pretty much put up with anything.